Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the Ps4 down completely and unplug every cable so there's no risk of shorting. Once done, flip the console to expose the hard drive bay cover, remove that single sliding panel and set it aside. Make sure you have a small Phillips screwdriver and a tray for screws because you will be handling small parts. Be grounded, touch a metal table, or use an anti-static strap so the SSD electronics stay safe as you proceed. Now continue by removing the screws that secure the drive bracket to the bay. You may see 2 or 3, so take note of each location. Once the bracket is free, slide the tray straight out. Do not twist or pry because the SATA connector is fragile. Unscrew the small mounting screws that attach the SSD to the bracket, remove them and lift the drive by its edges. Take your time and keep screws organized so reassembly is straightforward and quick. To finish, reinstall the now empty bracket into the bay and tighten the screws to hand tight. Replace the sliding cover and reconnect power and HDMI. Power the Ps4 on and watch for the expected behavior. Either boot into the system or into safe mode if the storage is absent. If it fails to boot, try one key troubleshooting step. Power down, reseat the SATA connector and confirm screw alignment, then test again. Make sure screws aren't stripped, and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.